Hello and welcome to Imperfect Garden. My name is Robert. Today I feel much better. Yesterday I had some fever and felt like pretty shitty. But today I feel much better. A little bit of fever, a little bit pain in my throat, but never mind that. Today we will do a very good video. And also I'm feeling really good because I have a new haircut, I trimmed my beard, and I feel like let's put on some color in this video. I want to be a flower too. Today we are going to plant or cultivate three very cool things that I got from a friend. That is actually three Thai seeds straight from Thailand. The three different seeds are one purple Thai corn, so crazy, one white Thai corn and one Thai chili. And I can't say how excited I am. I mean, imagine in my garden to have like white and purple corn growing close to each other, and the color effects. And also in the summer when we will have the big barbecues and stuff like that, I want to make barbecue with Thai purple and white corn. That will be so cool. I will of course also cultivate and grow normal Swedish European yellow corn too. That is a little bit more boring, but never mind. We've got three different kinds of corns. Yay! Here I have the three different kind of corns, two different kind of corns and the chili. But for that, let's take the camera and take a closer look, and let's look at how they look. Let us start with the chili. I think I know nothing of this. I know it's a chili, of course, and it's from Thailand, but I have no idea about the strength or something like that. It's a Thai chili, so probably it's spicy like, you know, lava or something like that. But as you can see, this is normal chili taken straight from a chili fruit and have, we can say it's been a little bit dried, of course. We will not do many of these because I know the problem is if you cultivate too much chili, you will end up with an endless supply of chili and you never can eat it up. Yeah, so we will take just a little bit of this and plant it. The next thing we will look at are the white corn. I have to say, these look a little bit like teeth. If you look at this, doesn't look like children's milk teeth. And I think we will plant as much as I have. I don't have so many. I don't have any more cultivation trays, of course, but we will use the small cultivation pots. And yeah, we put in as many as we can. Yeah. Finally, we have the cool one, the purple corn. Oh, this is so cool. Look. Now, look at the color. Look, it looks like blueberries, like dried blueberries. Oh, this is so amazing. I really hope I can get this cultivated, that is no problem. But I hope I can make them survive in the Swedish summer and grow. It will be a so cool experiment with the white corn and the purple corn. Can I make them grow in Sweden? The biggest problem I have right now is, as I said, I have no more cultivation trays. This is all I have left. I need to go buy. I have 24 of these small planting or cultivation pots. And these are from Plantation, and I mean, these are like, what can it be, 4 centimeters wide, so it's a little bit wider than the cells in a normal, you know, cultivation tray. So, let's see, how many do we do chili in? I think, do we only do 2 chili? Yeah, we only do 2 chili because I'm afraid I will have too much chili. I will, if I want, like in a couple of weeks, do more, we will do more. But let's be a little bit economical now, and we do only 2 chili, and then we put the rest of the corn in the rest of the pots and take it 50-50 as long as we can do it, because we have more seeds than we have the pots. And as usual, I will not show you the process when I put the soil in all of this, because this will take a little bit long time. So we cut it now and then we come back when everything is filled with the propagation soil. Finished! Can you believe it? I have finished my first bag of propagation soil, 15 liters. So I'm on my second bag now, finally. Still, 15 more liters of propagation soil. Well, never mind that. Let's start putting in the seeds in the pots. I don't know if you understand this system I have now. These 3 will be chili. These 11 here will be white corn. And of course, these 11 on this side will be the purple. Because probably I need to put notes too, but I need to remember otherwise. Probably I could see when they start growing up. Maybe. Or maybe not. I have no idea. Never mind. Let's start with the chili. And with this, we got 1 centimeters. I think is sufficient. Just put out a little bit. I took like everything. And again, we just put a nail in 1 centimeter down, and it's a little bit gooey because I had to pre-water it because of the propagation bag had started being, the first one had started to be a little bit too dry. So now it's a little bit difficult to make the holes. We put in like 3-4, and then we just, the extras, we just kill them. So we take the strongest one, like we will do with tomatoes too, because in a couple of days the tomatoes, I need to start separate them and replant them, because they start, the biggest one is like 15 centimeters now, so when they hit like getting close to 20 centimeters, we replant them to bigger pots and separate them and see if we can save the extras. So that was the chili, 3-4 in each. With the white corn, I think we put in 1 in each. I don't know how the percentage of probability for these to grow, but yeah, we put in 1 and then we wait and see what happens. If they don't take in 2 weeks and nothing has happened, probably we will dig them up and replant and take a new seed, because we have pretty much here, so we don't have to be afraid. I could put in two in each, but I don't know. I want to have as much corn as possible, so I feel like let's not waste it, because I cannot get more of these. This thing. Well, unless my friend has more, I don't know. So, and also the interesting thing will be, can we make them grow? I know that corn wants to have warmth, they want to have sun, and they want to have a long growth period, because as you know, corn becomes a huge plant, depending on which kind it is. But we talk about the small one, 1.5 meters up to, 2.5 meters. So they need to have warmth, sun, and a long period to have the chance to even grow anything. And of course, the corn I have that is bought in Sweden, that is made to work here in Sweden, and these are from Thailand. Yeah, that was the white ones finished. Let's do the purple. And of course, I dropped one of the purple corn on the floor. I'm like, oh my precious, I want to have it. Where is it? We'll find it later. Let's finish with this now. I have to say, I'm childishly excited by purple corn. It'll be so cool. And I've also decided that I have not cultivated enough of sunflowers. No. My another friend of mine, she has cultivated like crazy amount of sunflowers in her garden. No, it's just cultivated for her garden this year, and I get jealous. I'm like, bloody hell, I will have more sunflowers than you. Yeah, I will do like 200 sunflowers. Yeah, so this will be a competition this year. Who has the most sunflowers? Me or my other friend, who also loves sunflowers a lot. So, and They are buried approximately 1 centimeters. Now scratch, I'll put down cover them with a little bit of soil. And we will, of course, irrigate them again. So they have a good start with the warmth and a lot of humid. Oh, this is so exciting. Well, I have nothing more to show today. This is something very exciting, and tomorrow I will do a video, a budget video. How do you cultivate when you are broke, yes? Yeah, and that is what I am. So, let's see you tomorrow with my budget cultivation video. Have a very good, and I have to remember, Wednesday. Have a very good Wednesday. Goodbye.